Time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a zombie game, zombie shooter game, episode 1. Now, in this episode, we will be going through where the player faces. We will be drawing the player. So, we will be like drawing the player. And then after that, we will make the player move and point in the direction we want it to point at. Okay, so let's start by drawing the player. We can press on the paint button and now let's draw a circle. A small circle will do for now, then we'll customize it. First, I will create a circle and put it at red. But red would I'm gonna put it at a lighter red so it doesn't look like it's a zombie. This color will be fine. Now the next thing I will do is at the side I'll try to make lines look like a gun. So I'm doing my best I can to make a gun. Boom. Boom. There we go. So now as you can see we have a nice tiny gun. I can move it to the player and then I can make it go backwards. Then something like that. Oh, an L. Okay, so then we can make it be something like I'm going to create this a little bit bluish. So now we know that we have one side gun. Then I'm just going to create a smiley face. A nice tiny smiley face to make it look like it's friendly. I'm gonna change the fill color to be red a little. Nah, green to make it look scary. So now as we made our player, let's now add some code. So firstly, I'll name this sprite player. Sprite player. Now I'll name this player. Then secondly, I will first create the move for the turning. So when green flag clicked, forever point towards mouse pointer. And that will make it point towards a mouse pointer at all times. Aluhiva says the player. Okay. Now we can make it point in direction 90 when it starts the game. Yeah. Well, that won't work, so we can just make it be in the position it is right now. Next, the thing we need is some movement for the player. So what I'll do is firstly I'm going to control and then 4F say total. Now we need all of these ifs because let me tell you what. We only need at least let's say one if because I will put if key W pressed. Then so if key W pressed, then I'll go to motion and try to put it like I will try to make it so that it will go like this. It will go to the position we want. So that will be move 10 steps. That will make our player move the direction we want. Now we will Now as we have smooth movement ready, we will need a player to go sideways and backwards. So let's only make it go backwards. So if key S is pressed, then move -10 steps. Now we can change these to 5 so that the player is not too fast. So as you can see that the player can now go opposite and backwards. Now great, we now have player movements ready. So as now we have player movements ready, in the next video I will show you how we can add bullets into the game. Then after that we'll add zombies, then player death and zombie death, and we will be finished. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, Dipansh Video Time is out.